What? I don't have it. What?
Damn obsessed with making me a perfect lie. Makeup is out, naturals in, letting my skin glow out. You talking shit if you don't like this. You still live in your man's world. I'm not gonna spend the night. I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind. Keep walking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me. With me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well, come as a bitch, get ready for this. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well, come as a bitch, get ready for this. Mom. Bubble of the water. Mommy. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you time for
You look cool. No.
leaving you just made me realize all the things I used to sacrifice just to please you, just to call you mine. But look at me now, I have the time of my life. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad
I give it to you on the last one. I'm done.
dancing all these tears away. Dancing all these tears away. Dancing all these tears away. No time for
Black one. Olivia, this is Olivia. My name is Black. That one.
What is the problem? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want this one? You want this one? You want this one? Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
Just follow her hand. Follow her hand.
Now come show me the one you want.
She wants to. Oh! Now I get it.
Okay, which one? Look at what you did to your food. Which one do you want? You want to sit down here? Okay.
Oh, that.
Alright, sit down.
Mommy, going what?
What do you want? Let's go. What do you want? Come show me. Come bring it. Come bring it. Come bring it. You want paper towel? Oh, okay. Let's go.
She should have just asked.
Here you go. It's okay. Here you go. Come sit down. Come sit down. I'll make you egg. Wait. Come sit down. Sit down. Gigi, come, this is your chair. Come.
She has to go put it.
No, she already used it behind me.
You should like.
Alright, here you go again. Okay, can you sit down now?
No, why would you steal my doll? That's what I said. And mommy was videoing him.
Look at this girl. After all your trouble.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah, girl. After all the stress you gave me, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. After all the stress. Yes. You done?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's done. Look, she's done.
Yeah,
You're done?
out.
You're done.
Mommy, today she get
All done. You want to take a bath? But you already did that.
Yeah, but she was.
You already
Mommy, did you
did
know
that. When
mine
you-
was first starting?
Huh?
Wait, Mommy, actually come here for a minute. Mommy, come here for a minute. Put your hand like this. Put your hand like this.
All right, let's get Jovan. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Finish your work. Or finish your food. Pick it up.
Feeling of truly fitting in, you feel like there is a place where you can be you.
But why are you reading GS?
Did you guys book Teach Me what belonging is?
Because of you, that's a pause.
You belong in Nigeria with me and the rest of the family.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mommy.
How do you feel of the time you did it when you did it?
Oh my god.
I did when I felt like I did it wrong. It's the first day of school because everyone that last year. Every single year.
Be quiet.
Good job. Woohoo! Good job, Gigi.
Oh my god, yes, drawing.
Woohoo! Yes. Aha.
another cake.
Yes.
Mommy, wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Ooh.
I feel like a cake.
Yes, you did it.
Cut.
Yes.